is Paige, and I work for the philanthropic organization Hope for Children. I have two logos, the American logo and the Indian logo. Both images show the unity of the people around the world, so that this logo applies to everyone around the world. The colors used in the logos represent the qualities of the communities of the people that are the target audience. For these logos, blue was chosen for loyalty, trust, and wisdom, and green was chosen for life, energy, growth, and harmony. Both images have representations of people holding hands. This image represents peace and happiness around the world. This leads the viewer to believe that Hope for Children is a peaceful organization. Both images can be scaled down or up in size without losing the clarity of the logo. The image in the logo promotes people to help others around them. For the American logo, I used Times New Roman font, and for the Indian logo, I used Tempest Sans. I used curved lines in this logo to represent playfulness and grace. The two images that I used are appealing to both audiences, both American and Indian. The target audiences will be able to identify with the images, colors, and fonts chosen for these logos.